Meaning of Earl Haig.
Earl Haig.
Earl Haig.
Earl Haig.
Earl Haig. Earl Haig was a British military commander during World War I, best known for his role as commander of the British Expeditionary Force on the Western Front. He is also controversial due to his leadership in the Battle of the Somme, which saw heavy casualties among British troops. In recent years, there has been debate about his legacy and whether he should be remembered as a hero or a flawed figure. Ultimately, his complex history makes him a subject of ongoing study and discussion among historians and the public alike.